Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Your Values, and a Happy New Year, by the way. Hope you ended the year in a great way and you're starting it in another great way. Today, I wanted to tell you about something that is very important to me. It's dance with life. Do not fight it. Now, a Tai Chi master told me when I was 14, I was still a swimmer, like 14, 15. I was doing Tai Chi, and you had this tree pose where you have to be like that with your bended legs in suspension, like in chair pose, and you have to hold as long as you can. And some masters can hold like 1 or 2 hours. And I was always resisting. You resist the pain. You're like, no. And he told me, just go down a bit, let go a bit, stop resisting, and you will see it will be much easier. And in fact, I did. And he told me it's the same in meditation. You want to stop thinking, and in the end, in fact, if you let go, you just don't care about it, you will stop thinking on its own. So you have to let go. In fact, stop resisting. The more you resist, because life is like your mirror, the more you resist, what's in front of you is going to resist. The more you let go, the more everything is going to let go. Same with being kind. The more you're kind, the more the world will be kind with you. The more you're angry, the more. So it's just about life is your mirror, and just dance with what you have in life. Okay, you can't invent what you don't have. You have things, so dance with them. And you have several things, and combine them to create something even bigger, and then dance with that. And stop fighting everything and resisting. You have to accept everything. And if you go through tough times, it's difficult. I have been through 2 difficult weeks, so I wasn't publishing any videos. Now I'm back. You can have some breath shortness, or you can have some stiff shoulders like this, or you can have a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress. Just go right through it. Accept that you have it. Feel all that stress and tension, and eventually it will go on its own. And evolution is hard, but just go right through it and feel every inch of it. And when you feel every inch of it, you will see it will represent, and you will learn the lesson. If you don't go right through it, life will put this in front of you, this obstacle, again and again. So give yourself time. It's okay. I gave myself time. I was like, okay, I can't post. It's just like that. And it's all about the 3 first life values. So consciousness, acceptance, and then forgiveness. And so this is what about it. Just dance with life and don't find it, really. Just dance with everything. Just dance, and the world will dance with you. And surround yourself also with the right people, because if you're not feeling well, they will not blame you. If you're surrounded by people who blame you, these are not right people, because people who love you will never blame you, will always try to understand why you're not feeling well. And this helped me a lot. Before, I used to be surrounded with people that didn't care, so it was really hard. And I thought it was my fault. It's not. And now I was so lucky. I'm surrounded by people who stayed with me no matter what. And this is the most precious thing ever. By the way, I have an event on the 25th of January for students, or for anyone who wants to have an easy life with simple, easy hacks, cheap hacks. On 25th of January in Paris. You can see the event on Eventbrite, or in my link in Instagram, in bio in Instagram. So in the meantime, I wish you a beautiful day, and see you soon on Your Values.